it's Alicia Ball back again with another video. So I decided to go ahead and just harvest everything that's out here. I originally was just gonna harvest my collard greens because they've been having a lot of issues with pests, but I decided to just go ahead and cut everything just across the board because for one, my lettuce is really bitter, and so I want to see I want to test out and see that if I cut my lettuce just completely down, if it'll grow back on its own and grow back more fresh and less bitter. And then also, of course, my collard greens, you know, if I don't harvest those, then I may come out here and there may not be anything left for me. And so I think the reason that my lettuce is so bitter is because here in the last few weeks, we've had some really sunny days. Like the sun was just beaming down. But like in the last maybe week or so, we've been having a lot of rain. So I think if I go ahead and cut them, they'll probably grow back. And so yeah, we'll just see. I'm just really wanting to test out the cut and come again method and just see how well does it really work and see how much I can actually harvest just in one season. So yeah, I'll do a before video and an after video. That way you all can see what it looks like before I cut it compared to what it looks like after I cut it, and then I'll do an update so you all can see what grows back. So okay, so first I'm going to be starting with my spinach, and so I'm just going to pick out the yellow leaves and put them in my compost pile, and then I'll save the good leaves here. So yeah, you can see I cut my spinach all the way down. Like, this will be the ultimate test. Oosh, okay. Probably gonna be meeting a lot of friends here. So, and all that spinach made one bowl, as you can see. And take all that in and get that cleaned up. I'm just gonna put all of this in my compost bin because I honestly will not be eating any of it. And I'm just cutting like just above the actual bottom of these. I don't want to pull out the plant itself. I want to leave it there so that it can grow back. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I'm just cutting just above the bottom. I want it to grow back, so I'm not going to pull it out completely. Besides what's already dead. Now if it's already dead, then it probably needs to come out. This is so much fun, y'all. I really enjoy doing this. Like, I really and truly do. Even though the bugs scare me, I truly enjoy doing this. Let's go on the other side. Next year, y'all, I definitely will not be planting this much lettuce. Like, Now that I know how much lettuce actually is yield from this, I will not be planting this much because I cannot eat this much. So it just kind of goes to waste, but not in all actuality, because it's going to the compost bin here in my apartment. We have one. Oh shoot. We have a compost bin here, so it'll just go to that. So next I'm just gonna harvest some of my collards here. As you can see, something has been really tearing them up. And so I'm just gonna try to pick some of the outside leaves here. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. Oh my, he is so full. He's so full, and there's one on my hand. There's like two here. Let me make sure I'm getting this. Do y'all see how big that is? Wow, he is so full. And then there's one on my hand too. Stop eating my stuff, dude. I don't even know where to put you. I don't want to put you back down. Now I kind of feel bad. But dude. It's a serious business here, man. I'm a little nervous about this, so I'm kind of afraid that my food isn't gonna grow back. But like I said, this is the ultimate test here of the cut and come again method. This is the ultimate test here, so I'm really crossing my fingers on this and hoping that everything grows back. Really nervous though. I'm not gonna lie. Really nervous about this. Oh my God, is that a turnip? Y'all, I just made a discovery in my own garden. When When? I never planted a turnip, ever. And I thought, you know what? I thought that these looked weird. Like, I thought the stuff that was coming out of here looked a little weird. I have a whole freaking turnip in my garden. Oh my God. Dude, I gotta get a close-up on it. A turnip. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That is a turnip. I did not plant a turnip. All of my greens were collard greens. And I kind of thought that it looked a little weird, but I wasn't like sure about it. I wasn't sure because the greens in that section had a different texture. Like, I cut them down now. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, they had like a weird texture. And so anyways, wow. I don't know what to do with myself. I am appalled. I really don't know what to do with myself. Sorry, the camera's so shaky because I'm just so excited about this. Wow. Wow. Wow, y'all. After just making that discovery, like, I am really, really, really appalled. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't know if the a turnip seed got mixed in with my collard greens or what. But that is the coolest thing that I've seen all freaking year. Like, just whenever I thought my garden could not surprise me anymore, it did. Like, it said, psych, I have another surprise for you. So here's all of my collard and turnip greens. So next we have our arugula. So let's get some arugula here. Now these are really bitter. Like, let me taste one first before I just. Oh, gross. Definitely going to the compost bin. Okay. All right, there you have it, folks. Everything is pretty much cut down at this point. So I'm gonna just do a little cleaning up and then come back with another video. Okay, so here's day one directly after I cut everything. As you can see, everything is nice and evenly cut. Here's 10 days later. Everything except for my spinach and iceberg lettuce is growing back okay. And I think it's because I cut both of those too low. Here's 20 days later. Pretty much everything grew back. You can see my arugula is starting to go to seed. A few of my spinach did grow back, but it immediately bolted and went back to seed as well. And then my iceberg lettuce, some of that grew back. So all of my lettuce that I cut to see if it would grow back less bitter, it grew back just as bitter. So yeah, that trick did not work. So anyways, thank you for watching my video. And if you like it, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to get alerts when I post more videos. So take care.